Today, we take you through the gates of Air Force School Vadodara, a place where every child is welcomed, every dream is nurtured, and every difference is embraced.
Welcome to Air Force School Makarpura. Every child carries a spark within them, and education is how we help this spark shine brighter. Every classroom can be a place where differences are welcomed and every child feels at home.
In a classroom, we teach more than lesson. We teach acceptance, kindness, and respect. Because the true learning begins when every child feels valued and included.
जब कोई बच्चा, जैसे मेरे क्लास में एक बच्चा है जो हमेशा वो अकेला बैठता है, एक दिन उसके फ्रेंड ने उससे अपनी टिफिन शेयर की। ये जो छोटी छोटी सी चीजें हैं जो मुझे बहुत ही एम्फसाइज करती है, जो काइंडनेस की भाव है उसमें, ये मुझे बहुत ही प्रेरित करती है, जो मैं अपने लेसन प्लान में लिखती नहीं हूँ। और इस चीजों को देख के मैं सीखती हूँ कि मुझे इन चीजों को बच्चों को सिखानी चाहिए, जो मैं अपने लेसन प्लान में आगे जाके ऐड करूँगी। तो ये छोटी चीज मैं बच्चों से भी सीखती हूँ।
Inclusion is not about special treatment. It's about creating friendships, support, and a culture of belonging within the classroom.
During art class, one child notices that another child is struggling coloring inside the line. Without me saying a word, he comes closer and helps. This little incident shows me that how inclusive develops in our kids.
Inclusion is not about special treatment, it is about creating friendship, support, and a care of culture of belonging.
No two children are the same. Some understand through words, some through pictures, and some through silence. Inclusion begins when we value those differences.
An inclusive classroom builds empathy in all children. One size does not fit all. Qualifications and encouragement can completely change child's confidence.
Children take part in different activities, they discover their talents, learn the course.
Inclusive education requires flexible teaching. A little creativity and patience can unlock learning for every child.
Once a quiet child in my class who never spoke up in the class. But when I showed him picture, I gave him a picture, he explained it beautifully as he had never done. But on that moment I just realized that all the children they learn in their different ways.
Children are naturally empathetic. When we encourage teamwork, they learn to accept and support each other.
To cater the various learning paces and learning stages, or we can say that the various learning styles of the children in our school, the teachers prepare various activities so that if any child who is very fast in learning, she will provide some activity by the time she is explaining the concept to the slow learning students. And they involve various worksheets and at the primary level, and they provide various assessment activities at the pre-primary level, so that no children is deprived or is lagging behind for getting the education and the concept learning.
I remember explaining fraction with a K instead of number, and I thought the children who was struggling with that problem understood better with the real object.
Upper part is numerator and down part is called denominator.
Inclusive education is not an idea for tomorrow. It is our responsibility today, because when children learn together, the society grows stronger together.